1. What is the meaning of fabric? Answer B. Cloth material used for making clothes. 2. What does cotton refer to? Answer B. A natural fiber. 3. Which tool is used for cutting fabric? Answer C. Scissors. 4. What does seam mean? Answer B. A line where fabrics are stitched together. 5. What is thread? Answer A. Material used for sewing. 6. What does zipper do? Answer B. Opens and closes garments. 7. What is embroidery? Answer B. Decorative stitching design. 8. What does pattern mean in garment production? Answer B. A paper template shape for cutting fabric. 9. Which fabric is commonly used for jeans? Answer B. Denim. 10. What does iron mean in garment work? Answer B. To remove wrinkles with heat. 11. What is knitted fabric? Answer A. Fabric made by interlocking loops of yarn. 12. What does woven fabric mean? Answer A. Fabric made by weaving yarns together. 13. What is polyester? Answer B. A synthetic fiber. 14. What does buttonhole mean? Answer B. A hole for buttons. 15. What is lining? Answer A. Inner fabric layer inside garments. 16. What does hem mean? Answer B. Finished edge of fabric/clothing. 17. Which machine is mainly used for sewing? Answer C. Sewing machine. 18. What does quality control mean in garment production? Answer A. Checking product quality. 19. What is label in clothing? Answer B. Information tag attached to garments. 20. What does shrinkage mean? Answer: A. Fabric becoming smaller after washing. 21. What is spandex known for? Answer: B. Stretchability. 22. What does cutting mean in garment production? Answer: B. Separating fabric according to patterns. 23. What is sample garment? Answer: B. Test example garment before mass production. 24. What does bulk production mean? Answer: A. Producing a large quantity of garments. 25. What is needle? Answer: B. Tool used for sewing. 26. What does stitch mean? Answer: B. A loop of thread in sewing. 27. What is fashion designer? Answer: A. Person who creates clothing styles. 28. What does fitting mean? Answer: A. Checking garment size on a person. 29. What is fabric inspection? Answer: A. Checking fabric quality and defects. 30. What does garment factory mean? Answer: A. Place where clothes are produced. 31. What is rib fabric? Answer: B. Stretch fabric with raised lines. 32. What does color fastness mean? Answer: A. Ability of fabric color to resist fading. 33. What is DWR coating? Answer: A. Waterproof resistant finishing treatment. 34. What does trim mean in garments? Answer: A. Decorative accessory materials on clothing. 35. What is production line? Answer: A. Organized sequence for manufacturing garments. 36. What does pressing mean? Answer: B. Applying heat to shape garments. 37. What is care label? Answer: B. Label with washing instructions. 38. What does fabric defect mean? Answer: A. a problem or flaw in fabric. 39. What is overlock stitch? Answer: B. Stitch used to prevent fabric edges from fraying. 40. What does mass production mean? Answer: A. Producing goods in very large quantities. 41. What is waterproof fabric? Answer: B. Fabric resistant to water penetration. 42. What does factory audit mean? Answer: A. Inspection of factory standards and conditions. 43. What is MOQ in garment business? Answer: B. Minimum order quantity. 44. What does garment washing mean? Answer: A. Process of washing finished garments. 45. What is yarn? Answer: A. Thread/fiber used to make fabric. 46. What does fabric width mean? Answer: B. Measurement across the fabric. 47. What is needle mark? Answer: B. Hole or damage caused by sewing needle. 48. What does heat transfer print mean? Answer: A. Printing design using heat application. 49. What is shipment in garment business? Answer: A. Delivery of goods/products. 50. What does lead time mean in production? Answer: A. Time needed to complete an order.